Hi, I'm Dr. Lee Sheldon. One of the difficulties that we have in the back of the mouth is the sinus. The sinus sometimes comes into play. The sinus is this dark area right here. You can see that with my thumb. That dark area is the sinus. And just below the sinus, see where that blue line is? There's some bone support. Well, that bone support might not be quite enough. If we take a look at our CT scan and we measure, we see that bone support is only 7.5 millimeters. We want 9 millimeters. So we want an additional 1.5 millimeters of bone. What do we do? Well, one of the methods that we use is something called the sinus lift, in where we raise the sinus up just a little bit in order to be able to accommodate the implant. But what do we do instead of that? Sometimes we can avoid the sinus lift by angling the implant. And notice by angling the implant, we can angle the implant around the sinus. You'll take a look in this view, and now you take a look in this view here. By angling the implant, we can put the implant in without touching the sinus. Notice there's the angulation of the implant. We construct a surgical guide which allows us to place the implant in that direction so that we can avoid raising the sinus. If we can do that, we can make surgery a little bit easier for you. That's it. I'm Dr. Lee Sheldon for Solid Bite.